Alright, world. Let me turn this down if you can't fucking hear me. Alright. Alright, world. It's come to my attention that a lot of people in the world seem to rely on fucking AAA. Now, if you can't tell, we got an airplane going by. But we're gonna show you how to change a flat. I gotta rotate my tires today. We're gonna check some brakes. We're gonna do all this shit. So let's put it this way: if you got fucking questions, I'm about to answer them. So here we go. All right, world. Check this out. Some basic shit you should always have in your car. Just basic regular shit for in case of road hazards. One, fucking jumper cables. Battery dies. It just happens. It's always good to have them. Somebody else you can help. You know what I'm saying? Tire patch kit. Plug in. Plug in saves your ass on the street. Plug in saves you in a fucking bind. You can, if you, hopefully, maybe you got a little air compressor. You can plug in a cigarette lighter. Plug it in. You blow it up. You can plug it. You know what I'm saying? Back on the road. Sometimes, if it goes flat, you gotta fucking, you know, always have a plug it, help people. You know what I'm saying? So, just basic shit I think everybody should have in their car. And accessible. And a fucking first aid kit. On that note, now I have to rotate the tires. If you can't tell, I've got two different fucking manufacturers on here. Point is these Arcadias, I was having a problem with a lot of road noise and fucking shit. Power steerings in these things fucking suck. But anyway, I went to more of a road friendly style tire and it's made it better. Okay, so one rule of thumb: car and park, you don't have to put the fucking thing on e-brake. You have a manual. I recommend e-brake. You get what I'm saying? Leave all four wheels down. Bigger people, you can put this fucking just. There we go. You get what I'm saying? Most fucking lug nuts will just come right off. You little cats, like to call, if you can't break it, 120 pounds, 100 pounds, fuck, even 150, ladies, you know what I'm saying? You can't do it, we call kickstart. You can do it with that. I like to put a cheater bar on the end. Kickstart. You get what I'm saying? Use your leg, more fucking power. Do all. You can do this. You get what I'm saying? We just want to crack them. That's all we're doing. That's it. We just want to crack them. Okay? We're going to go do the front ones, and then I'll be back. Give me 1 minute. We'll pause you. If you're just doing your tire, you break them all loose. We're going to show you where the jack, the scissor jack. I'm going to use my normal jack, but let's take a look here. Underneath the tire, within this back corner, there's either going to be a pad or a unibody. You'll be able to tell. See, look. Most cars, if you can't tell, see this right here? See there's an arrow. That tells you where to jack. You look under, I'm going to turn you and flip you under. Okay? If you can't tell, there's a unibody right here. This is what they want you to jack on, preferably. Try not to crush There's my exhaust. Try not to crush if you got any fuel lines, brake lines, or anything. Try to stay on the unibody. Right? It's that simple. Okay. We get that done. Do that real quick. Jack it up. Now, if you got a you may have a scissor jack, which we all love those. It's a pain in the butt sometimes, but you got to use them. You know what I'm saying? But I had the cheater box. Okay, good. See, now they're all mostly loose. Now it's take the time to take them off. You know what I'm saying? At this moment, catch your breath, because we're going to be here for a minute. You know, normally you would have a fucking socket. These ones ain't bad. When they're on the bottom, but just so you know, this car has fucking had issues the whole. If you're a mechanic, you know what I'm fucking talking about. One of those. Die. It ain't. Could be way better. I believe this fucking thing should have a not be all wheel. I believe it should be 2-wheel, 4-wheel part time. So that way you can fucking get better gas miles than 12 fucking miles. John. Anyway, alright, take tire off. Boom. Alright, we're off. Off to the races. Okay. At this moment, if you're changing your tire, you're gonna put your spare on. Put it on the correct way. You'll be able to tell which way is right. It'll show you. I'll probably have an arrow possibly tell you rotation. Put it on, tighten it up. You'll tighten them hand. Put it on the ground. And when I say hand, I'll show you. All right. But now we're just gonna take a peek at these brakes. Now I'll show you. You probably ain't gonna be able to see, but we'll take a look at the brakes. If you can't tell, I got coming soon. Like y'all can see, right? I gotta do those soon. All right, now put this bitch on the jack stand. And rule number one: always use jack stands. Always. Don't play with your fucking life. All right, I'm gonna do the front and then bring you over there. I don't need to show you that. Same thing as the back. All right, well, we swapped them. We're gonna do this one, putting the bag on, same thing, it's pretty easy. Lift your tire. Uh-oh. Looks like this tire is, there you go. All right. had the deck up, right? Higher than the back. Now, it slides right on with ease. Take your lug nuts. We're gonna now wiggle in the tire. I'm not one of those willy-nilly guys with a gun. Back in the day, I used to be a tech back in from 98 to 04 for Ford. And it was a very common problem with our trucks, the cupping on the passenger front tire. This thing seems to have that same issue, it seems. So, I'm all on. Just like I said, get them finger in there. And I like to always start with one of these, the bottom ones, so it lifts the tire up against it personally. You could do any of them. Just make sure it's not on there fucking cockeyed, because if it's cockeyed, you'll know when you're driving. And we just slightly tighten this one a little more. Snug it up, you know what I'm saying? See? Now, if you can't tell, this thing's got like a limited differential in the back end, so. The I'll keep spinning as you go to put it. The way to remedy this, just keep doing this the whole way around, slowly, and then once we get them all snug, right? God damn it. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, it just keeps turning. That's that limited differential. Just slipping. They call it a posi, my ass. Okay. Last one. Now, to remedy this, seeing how I'm going to do it, see how it keeps turning? Slightly lower the car so the bottom tire is just touching. Okay, we're gonna jack her, get her out from under the remove the jack. Okay, now watch, we're gonna lower it just, and if you got a screw jack, it makes it a little easier. But once it touches, there you go, just a little bit of pressure, tighten it back up, hold it there. Now watch, no turning. Now we can just give a good quarter turn on all of them. We snug the rim up. Okay. Oh, star pattern, preferably. And then I always do two. Okay, that's my first. And then we'll come back and I'll do one more again. Just to make sure that they're like, you can tell they're snug. We don't want these bitches coming off. I don't know if you ever seen a tire fly off at 60. I have. It is not cool. So there you go. Change it flat. Showed you how to check some brakes. You just look in there, make sure the pad is still there, wearable, and lower the car the rest of the way. And there we have it. Some basic shit you should hold in your car at all times, i.e. jumper cables, I believe a plug kit, I believe a 3/8, little 3/8, drive tool set, Harbor Freight, $8 one. Just in case you gotta disconnect the battery for some fucking reason and, gotta change it out. You can do, that's basic type shit, change a hose. That'll fit, all that type of shit. On the road too. So, but that's that, man. And go by business. Number one problem I think you will have, everyone will find out if you do that. And you go to check your spare is going to be flat. So I tell you this now, if you can, check the air in your spare tire, which I'm sure there's probably like 20 pounds in there. It's supposed to be 60. Get that shit up, get prepared for the summer. I know everybody's been driving around. Y'all stay blessed, stay medicated. One love.